Hi little healthies! Welcome to Musical Medicine. I'm Nurse Mia and I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so excited to teach you this next new thing about our bodies, and it's going to be all about our lungs. Now, our lungs and our heart are best friends. They love to work together and they need each other. And you can learn all about the heart in my heart video called Love Dub, Our Amazing Heart. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to Musical Medicine so you don't miss out on these videos, because they are all gonna link together. So our lungs, they help us breathe, and they work in and out without us doing anything, like we learned in our heart video. So with our arms, we can go and reach for things, pick it up, and we think those things and do them. But just like our heart pumps without us thinking, our lungs do the same. They don't stop breathing for us. Isn't that amazing? So our lungs take in all the air around us, and into our lungs, oxygen in the air finds its way all the way down our trachea, and the next set of branches are, they're called bronchi branches. So it splits off into two, the right lung and the left lung, and they're kind of like sponges. If you think of how soft and squishy sponges are, that's like our lungs, and they sit either side of our chests. So with these sponges, they're filled with like a liquid, kind of like dishwashing liquid, called surfactant. And just like you can blow bubbles with dishwashing detergent, so our lungs with this surfactant help to create space in our lungs for oxygen to go through. I think we need to sing a song about our trachea and bronchi branches, don't you? And you're going to learn about what it even breaks out to after bronchi branches, called bronchioles, and all the way down the bottom, kind of like bunches of grapes, they're called alveoli. Let's sing about it. Breathe in, breathe out, nice and slow. My lungs are working, in they go. Air comes in through nose or mouth, down the trachea, traveling south. Inhale. magic air swap. What we breathe out is called carbon dioxide. That's right, the oxygen goes into the blood and the blood sends carbon dioxide back into the alveoli so we can breathe it out. Can you practice breathing with me? Because sometimes we can do it intentionally, but most of the time when we're not thinking about breathing, it's happening anyway. But now we're going to do some intentional breathing. We'll go in either through our nose or through our mouth. And in the air, we've got oxygen, which goes in all the way down to our alveoli. The magic air swap called gas exchange is happening. And what we just breathed out was carbon dioxide. Our body doesn't need it, and too much of that left inside can make us really sick. So that's why we have to breathe it out. And this is happening all the time without us having to think about it. Breathe in, breathe out, fill your lungs with air. Oxygen will pass through to the alveoli down there. Gas exchange will help it to find your blood and be friends. Your heart helps out to pump it to your head, to your feet, and again. So breathe in, breathe out, fill your lungs with air. Oxygen will pass through to the alveoli down there. So down in our alveoli, the things shaped like bunches of grapes, that's where the magic air swap happens. Oxygen from the air goes all the way through, and remember, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and then alveoli. The oxygen passes through the surface of the alveoli and enters our blood. And that's where this magic happens, where the blood with the oxygen goes back to our heart on the left side and then gets pumped back to our body. So you can see why they're such best friends, can't you? It all works together, and that's how amazing your body is. It's creating magic with Magic O2 all the time. Breathe in, breathe out, nice and slow. My lungs are working, in they go. Air comes in through nose or mouth, down the trachea, traveling south. just like your heart and your lungs are best friends, your brain is actually part of it too. But we're going to save the brain for another video, which means you're going to have to subscribe to Musical Medicine so you don't miss out on it and miss out on collecting even more badges. But for today, you've earned yourself the magic O2 badge. Well done, little healthies. I'm so excited at the collection that you're growing with the magic O2 badge, your hand washing badge, your germ buster badge, your rainbow food warriors badge, your digestion detective badge, and your lub dub badge too. Hang on, you don't have all of those badges yet? You're gonna have to go back and watch through Musical Medicine so you can collect those badges. I'm gonna go over it one more time because we're gonna sing about it again too. So, this time with some props. Our trachea, from our mouth down to our lungs, is like a straw. The air that we breathe in travels down into our lungs. And the bronchi branches and bronchioles are like a tree when you think about all the different branches that come off the main trunk. And then our alveoli, like bunches of grapes, are kind of like this when they expand and contract. It's kind of like that, but they're so tiny and we have so many of them in our lungs, and that's why gas exchange happens all the time. Oxygen goes into our blood and carbon dioxide out. It's the beautiful magic air swap. Breathe in, breathe out, fill your lungs with air. Oxygen will pass through to the alveoli down there. Gas exchange will help it to find your blood and be friends. Your heart helps out to pump it to your head, to your feet, and again. So breathe in, breathe out, fill your lungs with air. Oxygen will pass through to the alveoli down there. Well, that's it for the lungs and Magic O2 today, little healthies. Thank you so much for joining me and learning about your amazing body and how it works. Thank you for singing along too. I can't wait to see you next time. For now, we're going to sing the goodbye song together. See you, little healthies. Musical medicine, it's time to say thanks for singing and learning today. You're brave and bright, you're strong and true. Little healthies, that's you.